I'm gonna show you how to make one of the best new appetizers out there. We got some shrimp wrapped around some smoked sausage, grilled up, little bonchons, a little of my West Coast shake. Let me show you how we did it. So the first thing we needed to do was get that sausage sliced up. So we do a little 1/4-inch medallions. Need it thick enough that the skewer will go through, but you don't want it so thick that it won't let the shrimp grill on the grill plate. Next thing we did was got some jumbo shrimp, thawed it out, put it in a bowl, covered it in some bonchons, Japanese barbecue sauce, which is essentially teriyaki sauce, but got some great flavors in there. And then we added a little bit more great flavor with my West Coast shake. Now guys, if you want to get yourself some of my personal West Coast shake, there'll be a link down below. Check it out. Got that all stirred up, wanted to let it marinate for a little while, and then we started building our skewers. So basically we have these little flat skewers going on. Took the fat end of the shrimp, put that on first, slid in one of those medallions, the smoked sausage, and then wrapped that tail around the other side, pushed the skewer through that. Did that, 16 times. And we have our finished product here of 4 skewers with 4 beautiful appetizers on there. Next thing we had to do is get out to the backyard, get that wood fire set up. Before we head outside and get these shrimp on that wood fire, guys, I want to remind you that we have 4 Woodfire Grill cookbooks and 1 Woodfire oven cookbook. But if you'd like to grab that cookbook, they're e-cookbooks, they're downloadable, right? There's 4 of them. They're $5 each, but if you buy the bundle, all 4 of them, they're $15. I'll put the link in the video description. Guys, it helps out your boy, helps out the channel, and I appreciate everybody who supported. We've sold over probably 5,000 copies of these cookbooks, so it's great. I appreciate you all. It's really, really helps out your boy. So guys, grab them today. First thing we're gonna do is load up our wood fire with some pellets. We got some Smokin pecan pellets. These are 100% natural, made from pecan shells, not wood. Okay, so you get a cleaner smoke, a longer burn. And trust me when I say you'll be so much happier if you try these Smokin pecan pellets. And if you'd like to try them, I have a link down below in my video description that'll save you 10% on your first purchase of these pellets. So check them out, tell them CJ sent you. You're gonna love these pellets, trust me. All right, team, we're outside. We have our grill plate in there. We're gonna turn it on to the grill setting. Hello. So we have it on the grill mode. We're gonna turn it to medium. You don't need to go high with these shrimps. They're gonna take like a minute or 2 each side. Really don't stress about that. Timing wise, 10 minutes is just perfect. We are gonna add that wood fire flavor because we got them Smokin pecan pellets in there. Gonna add a little extra flavor. Hit start. Let it go through the ignition process, that warm up, get our shrimps on. We're gonna give it a little kiss of smoke on them shrimps. That Smokin pecan. It says to add the food. Woo, you got a little smoker, baby. That's why I love these Smokin pecan pellets, made from real pecan shells. Let's get these skewers on. Get that sizzle, sizzle, baby. All right, so we got those on. We'll close it down for a minute, get that side done, flip it, get the other side. But as we close it down, it'll give us that good smoke, right? Right, 1 minute. All right, it's been about a minute. Give it that smoke. Give it a flip. Got some good grill marks on there. Make sure we got plenty of contact. Now, while we got these flipped, we're gonna take a little bit more of that bonchons. Just give it a quick glaze. And that'll set up a little bit when we close this down. Another minute. We want them over 135, so we're looking pretty good there. Let's go ahead and get them off, get them inside. All right, y'all, our shrimps are done. We're back in the house, obviously. We got a little bit better lighting, a little less outdoor noise in here. So, smoked sausage, grilled to perfection, right? Guys, get one of those lightning instant read thermometers so you can check your shrimps, make sure they're done. You don't want them overcooked because when you overcook shrimp, they become straight rubber. All right, guys, time to get a bite. Oh, hell yeah. Guys, too dang good. Listen, football season's about to start. Guys, this is a perfect appetizer for game day. All your friends will love it. It takes no time at all. Really, we're on the grill 4 minutes at the most, maybe. All right, so make sure you guys give these a shot. Comment down below who you're rooting for this year, right? I can't wait for football season to start. Guys, I'm pumped up. If you'd like to get one of those Woodfire grills, links down below as always. It is an affiliate link. Doesn't cost you any more to use it, but it helps out your boy. For the knives, cutting boards, merch, all that stuff I use in my videos, again, links are all down below. If you'd like to become a show producer like all the awesome people scrolling in front of me, people that know this appetizer is a hit, there are 2 ways to join up. Either you can hit that Patreon link in the video description or that join button right next to the subscribe button, which you should have already hit by now, right? Right. Other than that, guys, we are done. Listen, I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful week. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.